husky young fella put a rope over his shoulder, and Henry Ford called, "Let's go." And at that very moment, as the workmen began to fasten the parts onto the slowly moving car, the assembly line was born. A technique that was to revolutionize mass production all over the world.
For the bumpers of your family car, steel from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and steel from Pittsburgh, California, joined with the copper from Utah and chromium from Texas, for beauty combined. The chemist and the metallurgist to alloy and temper it before it could be shaped. Engineers designed it, using pencils made in Pennsylvania and slide rules from New York.
Imagine, if you were on the moon, you'd probably be glad to have a big Ford pickup. You'd be happy about Ford's unique independent front suspension while driving over the jagged lunar rocks. You'd enjoy the great power of Ford's choice of V8 and diesel engines, and you'd appreciate the comfort of Ford's roomy cab. And when you know that Ford's F-Series pickups outsell every truck line on this nearby planet, you might say, my Ford truck and me, we can go almost anywhere.
What's up, boys? Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already, watch the last 4 videos. I got a 4-part series on saving this Jeep's life, okay? It's a great series. You won't believe how it ended. Check out those 4 videos. For those of you that did watch it, the Jeep is running marvelously. But in today's video, if you couldn't tell by the intro, we got a new project. That's right, we're picking up a 1986 Bullnose Ford F-150. It's a short bed. It's got 4-wheel drive. It's a 4-speed manual. It's got a 302 in it. A small block Ford. I've always wanted one, and we got one. It's in great shape. It's all pretty original. It's down in Oklahoma City right now, so we're about to hop in the Jeep and drive down there and check it out. And this is going to be an awesome new project on the channel. So if you guys are like me and you just refuse to spend 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 grand on a brand new truck that's got more computers than what's in my entire house, more sensors than I've ever seen before, you know, we've really, as vehicle owners, we've lost our right to repair our vehicles. You're essentially subscribing to these major manufacturers when you buy these new vehicles. They're the only ones that can service it, and it's just not for me. So we're gonna dial it back to the 1980s and get us a truck that we can learn and love and fix and have in my family forever. That's the plan with this truck. I'm not taking out a mortgage to buy a brand new F-150. I love them. They look sick, those F-150 trimmers. They look freaking sick, but we're not getting one. We're not doing that. I almost did it. We're not doing that. We're going old school. We're going low tech, high performance. I'm super excited. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. This is going to be at least a year-long project on this truck. We're going to be coming out with videos at least every single week. Not every single video will be on the truck. Some videos will be on the Jeep or whatever the heck it is I'm doing in my life, but that's my hobbies right now. Get this truck running, get this Jeep looking nice, which it already does. And yeah, so if you like trucks, if you like Jeeps, this is a channel for you. Check it out. Follow me, subscribe, like the video, do all those things, and we'll see y'all in Oklahoma City. It's a legend right here, Ronnie Sexton. He's gonna tell me what's wrong with this thing. It's got 96,000 miles on it.
It drives good, but you know, like I said, just check it out.
The brakes seem 86.
Where the hell did you find this thing at, bro?
Guy down in Newcastle had it. I'm pumped on it.
I mean, the motor sounds good.
Yeah.
Sounds alright, though.
That's what I thought. The mass.
I think because we're not in, like, in between the gears.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it was. Yeah, you need to work on the front end of it.
Yeah.
That's something I see on the front end, kind of, you know, a little squirty.
Yeah.
Well, it's old.
It is old, but
I guess you can't go into first with it rolling.
oh, okay.
That's what it was.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's gotta be the dead stop.
Yeah.
Doesn't like that.
Because that gear's spinning. Does AC work? No.
AC, they don't have an AC compressor in it. It's set up for it though.
Yeah, it's got something on there, so
Yeah. I should get a compressor.
get some damn AC going on.
That'd be nice. So far, so good.
Yeah, ain't nothing wrong. I don't see nothing wrong with it. Just a little squirrely front end, but
Little suspension work.
Yeah. I think you can put like a Mercury Marquise front end
Yeah.
underneath it.
Okay. Oh, okay.
And we have two of them.
Oh, okay.
Yes, down the street there.
A Mercury Marquise.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what I've seen on like those shows when they build these trucks. They
Yeah.
stick that whole thing up under there.
Axle and all.
The whole suspension. It bolts right in there somehow or another. We'll do it on the monkey show.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Mercury Marquise. I'm gonna look into that. Especially if Garrett's got them sitting back in the lot.
Or Grand Marquise or whatever. they call
Okay.
it.
Yeah.
I have two of them that's wrecked back there, and the front ends are good on both of them.
Sweet.
I don't even know. You might be able to put that kind of motor in there. I don't even know.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I have the motors too.
This thing's carbureted. It came with fuel injection, and the guy pulled it off and put a carb on it.
You just have to. I had to hold it down for the start walk.
Yeah. Exactly.
Ain't nothing wrong with the truck. I mean,
Sweet, man. Yep.
motor.
Goes through the gears just fine.
Line it up. If you're leaving it 4x4, you can't stick that front end under there. So
I am leaving. Oh, I
Yeah,
see.
you know what I'm saying, yeah.
Okay. That's a great point because I do want to leave it 4x4.
what the hell they have to? I don't know much about that suspension there though.
About this
Okay,
guy?
this is section. Remember when
Yeah.
we did the Ford and we
It'd have to be.
pulled everything and did acid on it and
Yeah.
painted the frame? That's kind of what we're gonna do with this.
He gave me ball joints. You think it needs ball joints?
I mean, we'd have to lift it up and
Look.
yeah,
See if it's
shake
got play in it.
Yeah, shake them around. I mean, hell, they are old. They might not be worn out.
Got a new radiator on it.
Yep.
It's like a new distributor, somewhat new distributor.
To get that AC to work though, you're gonna
Need to get the AC.
replace that.
Yeah.
That's awful.
Okay.
Stopped up.
You flush those out with pressure?
This is this filter. If you can get it out of there, if it just pulls out, you'll probably be okay.
Yeah.
But if
Okay.
if it breaks off, you have to change it.
Go get a whole nother thing. Looks like the valve covers are leaking a little bit. I don't know if it's just oil coming out of there.
Those need to be like, see, that'll burn.
Don't let that
eventually.
sit on there?
Yeah, need to be zip
Okay.
tied together or something.
Okay, I brought some zip ties. I can do that.
Together right there.
Same side over here. Get these up off of
Yeah,
there.
if they're touching the manifold, yeah, because they will burn and start missing.
Okay.
Still like that, yeah. Just get them up off of there.
Okay. Sweet. Nothing looks egregious. Too egregious.
It ain't
Just
leaking,
old.
No, look like it's leaking anything.
Yeah. Don't smell bad. Smells like gas a little bit, but
Don't, like, got a bunch of oil all over everything.
no. Engine's all right.
Yeah, do some work to it.
That's the plan.
Paint,
Yeah, needs some paint.
windshield.
He had an old toolbox on this thing, and it kind of rusted the bed out.
You might have to get your bed, though, I don't know.
That's what Garrett was saying. He said put a whole tube of Bondo on it. I was like, it's a pretty big crack.
No, you have to weld it. If they can get it back together.
Yeah. tack it
Let's see,
closed.
that was jiggling going down the street with that.
You felt it?
I can see it.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Shocks are bad on the back.
Bad shocks. Okay. That's how loose they are.
Yeah, shocks are bad.
Cool. I think we're doing suspension first, so get a lift kit.
We'll get that with the. Looks like you got exhaust on it, like a
Yeah.
new muffler and shit.
Yeah, not bad. I mean, it's quiet as hell. I want to make it sound a little meaner than what it is, but
Dual exhaust on it.
yep.
Yeah.
Pop them out right here.
Yeah, we'll do that too. Get a
playing.
different bumper for the rear.
Yeah, the bumper is giant. Garrett wants to put a roll pan on it, which I think would look good.
Yeah, get rid of that big old giant thing.
Take that thing's huge, and probably heavy as hell.
Huge.
That's the original gate right there. Only got 2 owners, and the last owner only owned it since January. Lived his whole life in Arkansas.
Just sit there.
Yep. Some old man.
You might try to find you a bed though.
You think so? Yeah. Bed's not in great shape.
Split, you know.
Yeah. I found one on
That's why they
Facebook.
put this on there because it was cracked.
There was one on Facebook for like $600. Some guy's parting out a short bed, but it's a different color though. But we're gonna paint it.
I try to get that, see if it's clean.
Yeah.
It ain't rusted out or anything.
This one's fairly rusty. Not terrible, but sweet, man.
All right, brother.
Thanks for looking at it.
All right, good luck.
Good to see you again. First drive, baby. I think it's got new speakers. The RPM gauge does not work. Dude, it drives actually really nice. Oh, it's crazy. It's only got 4 gears. It's not as wiggly as the Jeep. This is Fisher's right here.
What in the world? Years old?
She purrs like a kitten, boys. Dude, it drives sick. 4th gear, just like that.
Woo!
Look how nostalgic this thing is. Dash. Got the oil temperature gauge. Got no gas in it. The speedometer works. Tach does not.
I want to drive it in that parking lot.
You wanna drive it? Okay.
After you're... What am I doing?
Who knows? You ain't got it in gear.
Okay, I'm done.
Put it in first. Drive up to Garrett. There you go.
Second is all the way down. Okay, let's see. How do you even
First
turn
time
it?
killing it. That's it. You got it. You got it. You got it.
It's on?
Yeah. There you go. No, it starts right up.
Oh, yeah.
All right. This thing is awesome. It drives straight as an arrow.
See, boys, they just don't make them like they used to.
Just don't make them like they used to. She shifts good. She sounds like a little schoolgirl, so we're gonna have to make it sound a little meaner for sure. Speedometer works, tach doesn't. All the other gauges work, but we're going with Dakota Digital at some point. Got a new head unit. Okay, we'll probably go back stock. No AC. We'll have to do that. But all in all, she drives straight as an arrow, starts right up. I think we made a good decision.
This is my new Ford V8 pickup. It has multi-port fuel injection for more horsepower than your Chevy V8.
Gee, Chevy didn't tell me that.
And you can't compare just base price. My Ford includes standard equipment like power steering, power brakes, a radio. That costs extra on a Chevy.
Chevy didn't tell me that.
And this special value model gave me $672 worth of added features free.
Free? Wow.
Yeah, Ford's been America's best-selling pickup for 9 straight years. Did Chevy tell you that?
Now get 6.9 financing or up to $600 cash back direct from Ford, depending on model.